Next, we will demonstrate the double chevron stitch. This stitch has 2 steps. First step uses 4 strands of floss, color number 6. Bring the needle up at the lower left position. Bring the needle down forward. Keep the floss loose. Bring the needle up from the middle position. Pull the floss upward. Bring down at the middle of the top horizontal line. Bring up at the left end of the line. Bring down at the right end. Leave a loop on the fabric. Return to the center position. Pull the floss upward. Bring down at this lower position. Follow this procedure. Complete the remaining lines. Keep stitch angles and widths consistent. This ensures a neat and beautiful pattern. This stitch works perfectly for edge decoration. The V shapes look like small mountain peaks. Creates a rhythmic pattern. Next, use 4 strands of floss, color number 9, for step 2. Follow the same procedure. Bring up at the lower left position. Bring down on its right. Bring up at the center position. Bring down at the center of the top line. Bring down here for the final stitch. The double chevron stitch is now complete. Let's look at the finished result.